The NS38 is a wall luminaire where you have the option both to have up and down light, and you can also just choose the downlight. The series is combined with two different options. You have the cylinder form here, and then you also have the option of the square format, which is shown over here. Now, when we look closer to the light distribution, we have a reflector. There is pretty deep, which means that the UGI is actually low from this luminaire. There's options of different beam angles that you can see in the datasheet. And the beam angles is both really narrow, it can be around 15, you can also go higher, depends on the situation and the lighting scene. The LED in the bottom here, as you can see, is a COB LED that we have used for both areas if you both need the up and down light. If we look closer to the back side, we have an option for two cables to enter the luminaire, and then we also have a really fast installation way, so you just screw out the two screws. You have the screw here and you have the screw on the other side. You install the back side here, and then you just add the luminaire on the front of the plate that you have here. So really easy installation and a great scene for especially a facade lighting. Now, lastly, I want to point out that this luminaire comes mainly for on-off solutions, and it can also be delivered as a DALI solution. We do not have the option for a Kasambi for this specific luminaire. Val colors, different choices. You can choose whatever you like, and that depends on your project.